What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So the wait for the Google Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro smartphone, and not only that, the Pixel Watch is finally getting over, as the Google has earlier teased this back in May at the Google I/O Developer Conference. But now Google has been confirmed its launch event and it's coming on 6th of October. Well, not only that, these three products will be launching alongside the Pixel Buds 2 Pro, and the Pixel series will also get official this time in India also. We can expect the smartphone to be launching in India at around to be at the Diwali, near to Diwali, and it's the second half of the October. And not only that, the phone will be available in three colors. What's the major upgrade which will be coming with the Pixel 7 series for the phone itself will be its processor, as it will be coming with the Tensor G2 processor on the inside of the heart of the Pixel 7 series of smartphone. Well, the G over here means the G for Google 2 chipset, as we can expect from this too. Well, the color variants of the smartphones will be a lemongrass, obedience, and snow pearl white. Well, apart from that, three colors option will be offered, and you will also be getting all the bells and whistles for 120Hz of high refresh rate, E4 AMOLED panel. The main back camera will be of 50 megapixel from the Google itself. And not only that, the design language will be followed to be very similar towards the previous generation. The battery capacity of the Pixel 7 Pro is expected to be around at 5000 mAh, and the charger will not be included with the phone itself, as we have already seen this trend in the smartphones right now, and it will continue to grow with the time. Well, what do you think about this Google launch event is finally coming, and what's your take on its finally India launch too? Well, the pricing of these smartphones is expected to be at around $700 for the Pixel 7, the $900 for the Pixel 7 Pro. You can also convert these pricing into your country wherever you are right now. And not only that, the Pixel Watch is expected to be around at $300 to $400 too. Well, that's been it from my side about the Pixel 7 series and the Pixel Watch 2. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you can never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.